Dear friends, welcome to another video. Today we are going to take a look at the impressive Sense Hut for the Raspberry Pi. With this add-on board we can easily sense temperature, humidity and pressure. It also has an embedded gyroscope, an accelerometer, a joystick and much more. Without any further delay, let's get started. Hey guys, I am Nick and welcome to Educates TV, a channel that is all about do-it-yourself electronics projects with Arduino, Raspberry Pi, ESP8266 and other popular boards. Today we are going to test the Sense Hut for the Raspberry Pi on a Raspberry Pi 3 board. The Sense Hut is an add-on board for the Raspberry Pi made especially for the Astro Pi mission. It launched to the International Space Station in December 2015. Yes, two Raspberry Pis with two Sense Huts were actually sent to the International Space Station and performed experiments with the code that was written by students. Amazing stuff! The Sense Hut has an 8x8 RGB LED matrix, a 5-button joystick and includes the following sensors: gyroscope, accelerometer, magnetometer, temperature, barometric pressure and humidity. There is also a Python library providing easy access to everything on the board. The Sense Hut costs around $56 and Gearbest.com was kind enough to send me a sample unit in order to make projects with it. You can find a link for it in the description of the video. Gearbest.com also offers a discount coupon to all of the viewers of our channel. Just enter this code at checkout and you will get the Sense Hut for $47. The connection with the Raspberry Pi board is extremely easy. It is plug and play. The software libraries for the Sense Hut are already installed on the Raspbian distribution, so within minutes we can write code that uses the Sense Hut. Let's try it. I have developed a very simple Python program that prints the temperature, the humidity and the pressure to the command line. The file of the program is named test.py and it is placed on the desktop. The code of the program is extremely simple. All we do is we import the Sense Hut library, then we create the Sense Hut object and we are ready to use the hut. In order to get the temperature we use the following command: sense.getTemperature. It is that easy. Then we print the value to the command line with the print command. If we want to print the temperature on the LED matrix, we can simply convert the value to a string variable and print it with this command: sense.showMessage. The library of the Sense Hut is extremely easy to use. The Sense Hut is literally plug and play. Using the LED matrix is also very easy. You can light up any pixel you like with the command sense.setPixel. You define which pixel you want to light up and the color of it. As you can see, you can build impressive projects easily with the available commands. Then you can use the joystick, the gyroscope, the compass and the accelerometer. In this cheat sheet you can find all the available commands with easy to understand examples. You can find a link for this cheat sheet in the description of the video. It will be very helpful at your first projects. In the description of the video you can also find the simple code I wrote for a quick start with the Sense Hut. Since the Sense Hut is one of the most popular huts for the Raspberry Pi, you can find a lot of software developed for it online. For example, I have loaded a snake game for the hut. Cool, isn't it? Since this hut provides so many sensors and the library support is great, I will try to build some projects with the hut in the near future. The only disadvantage is that since I use the Raspberry Pi 3 board, which gets hot after a while, the temperature readings we get from the hut is not accurate. By using an older Raspberry Pi board, we may be able to overcome this problem. But overall, this is a great add-on board for the Raspberry Pi. It makes prototyping so much easier and faster. It is also a great board to start programming the Raspberry Pi. I would love to hear your opinion about this board. Do you plan to use it in any of your projects? Please post your comments or ideas in the comments section below. Thanks! If this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribed. In this channel I post videos about do-it-yourself projects every Saturday. I love making things and I believe that anyone can make things, anyone can become a maker. That's why I created this channel, in order to share my knowledge with the community and learn from the community. I hope you will join us. Until next Saturday, watch, learn, build.